Good day everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. By the way, I'm Dale Vincent Payan and I am a third year BS Criminology student here in Misamis Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Together with my co-member, which is Jomar Tabegero, James Armandroa, John Marvin Atchas, Neljon Nunez, and RJ Gadmalin. For today's video, we are going to introduce to you the modern way of farming, the technology or the invention that is called hydroponics, the modern way of farming. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics is the cultivation of plants without using soil. Hydroponic flower, herbs, and vegetables are planted in inert growing media and supplied with nutrient-rich solution, oxygen, and water. This system fosters rapid growth, stronger yield, and superior quality. When a plant is grown in soil, its roots are perpetually searching for the necessary nutrition to support the plant. If a plant root system is exposed directly to water and nutrition, the plant does not have to exert any energy in sustaining itself. The energy the root would have expanded acquiring food and water can be redirected into the plant maturation. As a result, deep growth flourishes, as does the blooming of fruit and flowers. Plants sustain themselves by a process called photosynthesis. Plants capture sunlight with chlorophyll, a green pigment present in their leaves. They use the light's energy to split water molecules they absorb via their root system. The hydrogen molecules combine with the carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates, which plants use to nourish themselves. Oxygen is then released into the atmosphere, a crucial factor in preserving our planet habitability. Plants do not need soil to photosynthesize. They need the soil to supply themselves with water and nutrients. When nutrients are dissolved in water, they can be applied directly to the plant root systems by flooding, mixing, or immersion. Hydroponic innovations have proven direct exposure to the nutrient field. Water can be a more effective and versatile method of growth than traditional irrigation.
So, what are the benefits of hydroponic farming? First, there is a lot that farmers deals with daily. There's struggles with soil erosion, the aspect of massive water consumption, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, what can farmer to do to reduce the struggles? For many people, it's making the switch of different form of farming, hydroponic farming. Today, we will discuss some of the key benefits of hydroponic farming so that you can see just how advantageous this switch can be farming practices and yield. Check it. First, save space. So what do you mean by save space? When you farm in the soil, your plant need to spread the roots to find water and nutrients. Simply to survive, plants expand the roots and take up quite a bit of space. This is where plant proper distancing techniques are imperative to success. But that can also acquire inhabiting. Hydroponic system, on the other hand, give water and nutrients straight to the roots, so they don't need to worry about spreading. Less spreading and more space. That's all.
The second, faster plant growth. Because important water and nutrients are delivered straight to the roots, the plants grow faster. Rather than having to battle the soil to obtain water and nutrients to grow, this system give the plants what they need right away. Depending on the plant, leaf, figurines, and thirsty fruits, especially the plant's growth in hydroponic system grow to 30 to 50% faster than those grown in soil. And third, allows for indoor farming. What's better than getting the opportunity to produce throughout the year, even in the winter? Growing year around is just one of the many advantages of indoor farming. There's also the fact that farmers get to control temperature and climate while reducing the chances of waste and other environmental problems. When you have near perfect growing conditions, you grow stronger plants faster, which means bigger yields. And thank you.
The fourth one is conservative water. To grab this concept, let's think about this on a smaller scale. Think about a little backyard garden and how much water even that small number of plants need. Sure, gardeners may not know as much about how much water their plants need comparison to farmers, but it goes to show how much water is wasted. When water is given to the top of the plants, has to make its way down into soil and then make its way to the roots. A lot of water is lost. With hydroponic system, water is delivered in a controlled way. You can save close 10 times as much water when you switch this method. The last one is no soil erosion. Think about it this way, no soil, no erosion. It's as simple as that. In fact, it's quite important that we reduce the chances of soil erosion field. Agricultural practices have eroded half of the plant's topsoil in the last 150 years. This leads to increased pollution, sedimentation in streams and rivers. And that's all.